Hello everyone. Myself, I'm Soundarya, currently pursuing 7th sem in the Department of CSC in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today, let us discuss about energy and environment. In energy and environment, let us discuss about trends which are in the conservation of different energy sources. First of all, what do you mean by energy? Energy means a capacity to do some work, and by using this energy, how do we implement this energy in environment and create new trends in the environment? And then now let us see what is this. Now, few are the examples which man-made energy sources for environment. They are like renewable energy source. Renewable energy source, we have like the energy which is not degradable and it can be used anywhere. This is called as a renewable energy. The example which are like solar power, wind power, and hydropower. Solar power. What do you mean by solar power? Solar power, the efficiency of a solar panels has been steadily increased, and there is a growing trend towards incorporating solar energy into building a material and urban infrastructure. And next example is wind power. Advancement in the wind turbine technologies and leading to larger and more efficient turbine offshore wind forms and also gain a popularity. Hydropower, modularizing and optimizing existing hydropower infrastructure is a trend, as well as exploring small scale hydropower and large impact hydro technologies. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuel, it is another example. Efficiency improvements which are there in this. There are ongoing effort to improve the efficiency of a fossil fuel power plant and industrial processes to reduce energy wastage. Next is we use carbon capture and storage, which is also called as CSS. Implementing CSS technologies to capture the store CO2 emission and fossil fuel power in it. Next, we come across nuclear energy. The advancement in the nuclear reactors design, such as small modular reactor SMRs and next generation reactors, are being explored to make natural nuclear energy more efficient and safer. Energy storage, the development of advanced energy storage systems like lithium ion batteries and grid scales energy to make better use of the intermediate energy level sources. Next, we have energy efficiency. Smart buildings and cities are becoming a more popular and integrated IoT AI. Using this, we can create a smart buildings of energy efficiency. Industrial processes are becoming a more efficient, energy efficient, and their automation and advancement in the control systems. Next, we have a transportation. The trend in moving the towards electric vehicles with improved batteries technologies and charging infrastructure. Hydro energy cells vehicles and also being developed. The adaptation of alternative fuel like natural gas, biofuels, and synthetic fuels. Next, we have a policy and regulations. Now, policy and regulations are like which are government worldwide and implementing a energy efficiency standards and emission regulation to encourage the conservation of energy and use of clear source of energy. Carbon pricing mechanisms and incentives for renewable energy adaptation and becoming more common in nowadays. And decentralization and microgrids, the decentralization of energy product through microgrids are local generation, which can help reduce energy losses during transmission. Education and awareness, an increasing focus on the educating the public and business about the important energy conservation and sustainability. Energy practices, innovation and research. Before going to this innovation and research, now let us study few about some deep in about this energy sources. Now, trends which are there, like now for presently the trend is sustainable energy source concept. As you see here, the research on elective normal validating hotspots of fossil fuels and automatic fuels likewise raised in this ideas managed and sustainable power sources. It isn't sufficient to have such assets in hostic for validation and desperate for the fact of new sources inexhaustible being the evolution environment and aspect of regional for this. Now if you see wind power, this is a wind power where you have this one is a gearbox, generator will be there, controller, ascenometric pinch, rotor will be there where it rotates, make it to rotate, bark, raw device, motor, blades, etc. This is a mission of wind power, where whenever the wind passes from here and this starts rotating and produces the electricity. This is one of the energy resource. About this we have got explanation here, and as you see how much wind energy it gains and how much percentage capacity it will have, we can see here. Next we have a solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable energy and also constant intensity of thousands 370 watt per meter square. And we see like electricity generation from the sun. This is also one of the type of trend which is there here. Electricity will gain the solar energy in by solar energy will gain this light, and we produce a heat of energy in this. These are the few of the example. Here you can see geothermal energy in the world. Electricity of geothermal energy first it was like heating thermal tourism and etc. Now, biomass energy. Biomass, it is a biological mass and source of organic matter resulting in a storage of green plants and converting solar energy into a chemical energy means of photosynthesis. Then we have a hydroelectric and state of hydroelectric energy conservation building. These are some of the example as we seen here for this energy source, and how this innovation and research have been implemented in these trends. They are like it continues research and development in the energy, technology, materials, and pre-processes to improve efficiency and reduce energy consumption. It's essential to note that the energy landscape and continuously evolving a new trend and in developments are likely to have emerged since my last update. The transition towards a cleaner and sustainable energy sources practices remain a global priority, and address climate energy and ensure the reliable energy future. I hope you have liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.